Imagine sitting there and drinking a coffee, barely moving your fingers on the table, like this, and typing a full message without ever touching your phone. Or giving a speech while your script floats invisibly right in front of your eyes. This is exactly what's happening with the new Meta Ray-Ban display. Today we are finding out if this is the future or just a gimmick. My name is Thomas and you're watching VoodooDE VR. Let's have some fun with the video and let's go!
VoodooDE.
Okay guys, so let's talk about the new functions. So first thing is we have a teleprompter function now inside the Meta Ray-Ban display. So how does that work? So you use your smartphone and perhaps you have some text that you want to read in the teleprompter from, I don't know, Google Drive or something like that. And then you just copy it into your smartphone, and then you go into the Meta AI app, and then there is a function called Teleprompter. Click on that. And after that you see a field, it's called Add Text, and there you will paste the text that you copied from somewhere else. Just paste it there and then you will see it there. After that you can select if you want to scroll vertically like most teleprompters, or if you want to have like text in blocks that you can swipe horizontally. That's what I actually prefer. And then after that you can also change the text size, of course. So, and then if you want to see it in your Meta Ray-Ban display, you click on Send to Meta Ray-Ban Display. So now I can see it here in my view. And the thing is, it's like not in front of me. So when I come in front of the camera now, so this here, I can look into your eyes. And now the text is here. It's on the right eye, a little bit down here. So look me in the eyes and I will read what the teleprompter says now. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at a piece of tech that feels like it's straight out of a science fiction movie. The Meta Ray-Bans with the integrated display. We've seen smart glasses before, but Meta is trying to bridge the gap between lifestyle and true augmented reality. So as you can see, I don't know if you can see it when you are in a large hall or so and I'm standing in front of the stage. I don't know if you realize that I'm looking like a little bit in the lower right corner. And that's a little bit weird. Yeah, because I mean yeah, perhaps it looks strange to others, but definitely it works really good. I can also turn around so that you don't think I read it from my real teleprompter. So I can continue. At first glance, you'd never guess there's a screen hidden in these lenses. It's remarkably well integrated, but once you fired it up, the magic happens. The resolution is surprisingly crisp, and now I have to swipe to the next page, and the way it handles transparency is impressive. I've spent the last few hours testing the interface, checking how it handles multitasking and seeing if the AI features actually benefit from having a visual component. So as you can see, that works pretty good. It works pretty good. I can clearly read everything, and you can also of course adjust brightness. So now this is very bright here, all the lights here in front of me, so I have to put it on maximum brightness and I can read it very good. You can also change text size. But would I use that for a huge long presentation like Mark Zuckerberg does that on stage? No, I don't think so, because it's first thing is it's really weird to look down on the lower right corner all the time, and also it looks strange for you perhaps when I always look there and focus my eyes on something that's in front of me. It's a little bit weird, right? So I wouldn't read complete text with that, but for some some memos, so like some points that I write here so I don't forget them. This works really good. So I can just watch you and then sometimes look a little bit down so that I don't forget to read something, and then it's really good. And now people ask me from school, can I cheat with these glasses? Yes, in a test, yes, you could do that, but let's be honest, I mean, you teachers are also not stupid. They see these glasses and they look strange, right? They have cameras and so on, and they will see it. What they don't see is what you see. So let me just swipe to the last page. So here, now I have a really huge display here where I can read the text, but you shouldn't see it in the glasses now. From the outside, it's not visible, and that's really interesting, right? But don't use it to cheat. I don't think it will work. The teachers will recognize that. I'm pretty sure, yeah? So it's good for some points that you don't forget something, but not for a large text. So what I also don't like so much is that it doesn't save it inside the glasses, the text. So when I go back with this movement, I can go back and it says close teleprompter. So I'm now in the main menu. And when I now enter the teleprompter again, let me go to the teleprompter. Here it is. By the way, I do this movement in front of the camera. I can also do it behind the bag, of course. It works everywhere with the armband. So now when I open the teleprompter, there is the standard text. So I always have to send it again so that I can see the teleprompter text. That's a little bit strange. Perhaps later they will save it on the glasses. What I also don't like is that it doesn't recognize my voice. So some teleprompters works with voice recognition. And that means when I talk, it recognizes where exactly in the text I am, and then it scrolls automatically down. So this also doesn't work yet, perhaps later. But very interesting, this update is very interesting. So now let's talk about the handwriting update. So perhaps you've seen Mark Zuckerberg at the presentation of the Meta Ray-Ban display. He wrote something here on the table and it appears in the glasses. And this is what we can do right now. But this is a beta update. It's still a beta. You can try to get into the beta version, and then you should get these updates. So where does it work? So it works like in all the apps of the Meta Ray-Ban display. So when I scroll down to the apps here, we have messengers like SMS, we have Instagram, we have Facebook Messenger, and we have WhatsApp right now, and you can use it everywhere. So for example, when I go in WhatsApp now and I want to write something, and there's a small button that says write, and it has a small hand with a line. Click on that, and after that, it says start writing. And now you can do like a hello, my name is Thomas. Yeah, and that works. That works pretty good. He recognizes it really good. I filmed a little bit through the lens before that because it's hard to show it to you, right? So I filmed it through the lens. In the video, it looks like not so focused, but here it's very clear. The display is very clear, of course. So it works. You can also, I can even write German and it recognizes the letters. It also works, but of course the word correction, so the correction of what you write is only available in English right now. So, and if I want to delete something, I can just swipe to the left and then it deletes the last button. And also, like he recognizes some special characters like question mark or so. When I write a question mark, then he's doing that. No? Wait. Oh, here we go. Okay, I have to do it right. Yeah, now it works. Okay, yeah. but if you have some very special characters, you have to swipe down, and then there is symbols, and then you can enter that, and also you can insert emojis via the buttons there. But the text writing works really good, but it's slow. Let's be honest, it's very slow. So like voice recognition and voice texting, it can recognize my voice and so on. That works much better. But or if you just put on your smartphone and then type it with your hands. But perhaps there are situations where you just can't talk or so. And if you sit there, and also perhaps situations where you don't want to pull out your smartphone, or you can't, or you want to stay focused, and then I can just look into your eyes and then type the answer here. This is really interesting, right? And I mean, I wouldn't use it all the time, but in some situations it could be really, really great to stay focused. So guys, all in all, this is a nice update, cool features. It's still in beta version, and it seems that Meta is still pushing that. Of course, because we already learned, you've seen my videos in the past weeks, they are more focusing on the smart glasses now instead of VR. And I'm really looking forward to the next updates of the glasses. And unfortunately, it's still not available in Europe. I mean, I have it here in Germany, but it was a disaster. It was crazy. But still, I think now you can order them in Europe from the Big Apple Buddy forward service. So make sure to check that out in the description. Could work. And now the question to you is, what do you wish? What functions do you miss in these glasses? Please write it in the comments below. What do you need for the glasses? For me, I miss some things. For example, I want more apps, perhaps an app store. I want 16:9 videos, like landscape videos, more battery life and so on. That would be great. But it's a really nice technology and so on. Yeah. So guys, make sure to subscribe to the channel, so I will also show the upcoming updates of the Meta Ray-Ban display, of course, and all the other smart glasses. So don't miss that. Hit the subscribe button and the bell, thumbs up, and see you next time in smart glasses reality. See ya.
VoodooDE